Hey there, sweetie, it's Queenie. Welcome back to my channel. And it's been a long time. I procrastinating, and actually I have no idea what to make this video. So yeah, today's video I am going to revisit my video, my most viewed video, and also it's a makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna search this on my channel. Is the Marzia right here. 5 years ago! Holy! This is gonna be funny if let's get right to it to revisit this ugly face of mine when I was in high school. This is like a high school girl who is very productive, and also she loves to do makeup. Oh yeah, way back then that Marzia Bisognin is very popular in YouTube, and right now she's living for good reasons, and yeah, congrats to her that she is engaged with PewDiePie. So I am rooting for both of you guys. And yeah, let's get into it. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, first things first, do your own foundation routine. Okay, first I put foundation, and I use that foundation as concealer. Okay, I have that big. Okay, hold up. Oh my god. Okay, my foundation routine was just a little bit foundation around here, and then there, and here, and a powder. Oh my god. Look, I am broke way back then. I was super broke way back then. Oh, but up until now I'm still broke because I am legit a jobless now because I just graduated. Okay, let's continue. Okay, she get the dark brown. Marzia has brown arched brows. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at my brows. Okay, she gets used light eyeshadow or neutral color. Marzia used a lot daily. Look at that English though. Okay, I apply all over my lid up to my brow bone. Use it to your lower one to look fresh and clean. Okay, I use dark sweep. I will going to sweep along my crease with brown eyeshadow since Marzia has thick lids. Okay. Look at that the cheap brush though. Damn girl, what did you do? I'm getting cringy. Oh yes, that eyeliner though. Yes, come on, eyeliner technique. Line first at the outer of your eyes and create a curvy cat eye and fill in. And stop 1/3 away from inner corner. Okay. Oh, I have that very chubby face. Up until now, I still have those. But I'm getting tired. Curl lashes and apply mascara. Easy peasy. Add bronzer or coral blush. Okay. Look at it. There's a pink blush to the apples of your cheeks. Oh my god, what's with that face? What is wrong with me? Alright, I don't have a neutral lipstick, so I apply foundation to my lips to color it in. Yes, that's why I told you that I am broke way back then. And she is fatter. Yes, exact that moment. Oh yeah, don't forget the Marzia's hair down style. Oops, I did. Marzia look is complete. Oh my gosh. Look at that struggle. That was my most viewed, garnered 12,000 views. Oh man, I'm not just like my job to do, and I do that for fun. So yeah, that's it. Saying that I have to react my old videos, and right now I think I've seen a lot of I think I lost my makeup skills right now. Probably I'm going to recreate that look that Marzia Bisognin has, but I'm going to create a little bit better. So yeah, I'll be right back. Foundation. I have quite a few foundations that I've got. I can grab anything I want at the back. Today I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris, the Matte Magic 12-Hour Bright Matte foundation, and I don't know if it's discontinued. If something reacts on my skin, I have to remove it as quick as possible. I'm gonna use this blush brush. I'm gonna spread first. Okay, I'm gonna use this to my skin. Next, brows. Said that Marzia has some arch brows. I think my mom lost my favorite angle brush. How dare she? Alright, I'm using here from TheFaceShop. What? How come that she became thick on the front? That's what she said. I'm going to finish up. Right. Started to notice that my lashes are getting thinner and thinner. My right eye has nothing. Ow, ow, ow. Like I told you, I can grab any makeup at the back. I'm using here again the TheFaceShop. Vintage Rose. I can read Korean sometimes. I'm going to apply this all over the list. Also apply on your lower lash line to look fresh and clean. Fresh and clean, she said. Next is apply along the crease. I'm going to use the same product. I think I did the same amateur makeup skills. Oh my god. My skills never change. Eyeliner! She said that create a curvy eye and stop in a 1/3. Okay, I think I'm using my eyeliner skills right now. Great. They're not symmetrical! What?
So be careful not to catch any lashes in your eyes, because it happens to me all the time.
It's better you have to like look straight and like this. Just give that a little bit higher. Oh, last one, lips. I have neutral lips now, so thank goodness to it. And I could use this product, which is my least favorite ones. And it's Peachy, but it doesn't work on me because it's way too light. Because if I use a nude lipstick, I look dead. Oh, don't forget the hair down. Do this or do this. So hi, this is my final look for today. Why did I make that face? That's all for now. Don't forget to like, comment down below if I did it better, I think. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.